Got a lingering cough after a cold? Let's talk about it. So you've kicked the cold or flu, but the cough just won't quit. That's a post-viral cough. It's more common than you think. Why does it happen? Your airways might still be inflamed, or maybe minor irritants like dust are setting you off. Post-nasal drip and even acid reflux can also be culprits. What can you do? Stay hydrated, gargle with warm salt water, and use a humidifier. Avoid irritants like smoke and dust. Over-the-counter meds can help too. But if it's severe, persistent, or comes with other symptoms, see a doctor. Stay well, folks, and keep those coughs in check.